Coming up, you will see where Erica is not feeling well, as she also speaks about ANNMARIE, who is talking about her on YouTube. Pray for Erica and listen what she has to say.
Just wake up. You know where you are do, uno keep on and say Dana no say so. Ladies and gentlemen, Dana figure tell the woman over YouTube say no say so. Over there, uno figure go tell the woman say Dana no say so, you know? Cause she make sure play part of her life when Dana say Erica, she no play. Say Dana say Erica no do charity. She that so them pick out and play. So them uno figure tell. Or you tell me. Me no want to know. Me no want to know. Me I tell you know what's going on over YouTube, what I just see. That's what I said. Wanna come for me for and tell me